through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way.
Yes, people, morning. A lot of north wind this morning. Yeah. I go out to a piece of crab net, they put another little piece on it. So it's a little bit longer. So me and Malcolm I go out this morning. So Malcolm bright and early in the morning. We give thanks and praise. Yeah. It's another wonderful day, people. So guys, you know, stay tuned, you know. Let's see what going on with the crab net, you know. North wind coming very strong. It's going to be a game changer. You can look at the setup here. What you call it? Here you see a certain amount of cloud together. That intend to cause either breeze or rain. We call it a set. Yeah. There's also a rainbow here in the sky. The distance here. You see there guys, a lot of north wind bungalow. As Shama would say. Right in the north there. Yeah. But it was expected still. Yeah. We used to have this traditionally every year. Yeah, sometime October, late October, early November. Yeah. But nevertheless guys, it is here and we're going to work with it. So we'll stay tuned. Anything can happen. Yeah. That is it for now. A number of boats out there. And a little earlier we saw that some of them fish nearer to the land last night. Two of them out there, one is taking up net, one coming in, and two more there, so coming in again. Yeah. Not a nice time for the fishers. We go to night sea now. Very cold out there. Some of them down in there, very close to land. Three boats down there. Yeah. But that's how it is. Yeah. At the beginning of time, these things set in motion. Just have to work with them. Very strong guys, because I am actually in a calm here now. Look at that. Yeah, that is one end of the net there. And the other end is up there. Yeah. The distance there we're going to go from that end. Yeah. It's a good looking people. This will normally carry a lot of shine fish, which are less expensive, but I want to tell you they are the most nutritious fish. A lot of people don't know that. That most of those shine fish that you see, like the mackerel, them and thing, those are the ones that have in the right fatty acid, you know, and probably glycerol and thing like that that you need. Yeah. So a lot of people don't know that. They normally go for the reddish color fish them and the pretty fish them, according to them. Yeah, and big fish and all sort of thing they use, all sort of term. But those fish that having the important oil, yes, yeah man, them having the omega-3 oil. Yeah, those shiny fish that you see there. Some of the kingfish, them, the mackerel, them and all those fish. And some of them mackerel and things that you see here that are very cheap and shiny. they're actually good for your health. A lot better than the pretty fish them. Yeah. So this breeze normally carry a lot of them. And we think that because the water is cold, they normally head to land and come nearer to the muddy areas. So a lot of these fish will be caught this week, going into next week. Yeah. If the fishers venture out, because some of them don't like this kind of wind. It's very dangerous on the outside here. Yeah. But as time goes by, you guys will see what we catch. Because this is actually my favorite time of year, you know. Yeah. I can't do the type of fishing that I used to do one time. But it doesn't matter. I do what I can same way. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna stay tuned, you know. We'll take up in it, you know. Yes, guys, I hit that. Yeah, that the ball will go over this. Should we right this up? Yeah. Alright, hold on now, hold on now. Hold on. Yeah, blow and no crab. Right. Yeah. Whoa. Put him over on the other side. Put him way up. No, man, what's up? Take out that crate from out of this. Take out the crate from out of this. Put the crate on top of the igloo. No. Put no man, the crab go way over in the corner. Hey, crab go over there so. So yes guys, a few crab, 2 lobster. A whole heap of jellyfish. Drop over in the place on first. Drop over everything to you. Dry over here, that's what you do, like foot rope. Dry over, see me. You put it near to your hand. Lift that man, that's not the other. Yeah, put them right over there. Right over there. Alright, it's a big blubber, man. But no matter you have one cloak, come take me. I can't understand how you love your cloak top. Where you cloak button? Where it at there? Where you cloak top if you save your hand them? I mean, you hear me cloak up in your back. Just a few crab, guys. Nothing to talk about. Yeah, over there. Yeah. 1-1 crab, guys. 1-1 crab. Not like the last day, they put them come there, put them near your hands, two of them, near your hand and put them right to them people. Yeah. Lift up your hand high and high here and carry them over. If you can't lift up your hand, don't take up too much one time. Take time. Put the conch over there, hold the conch near your hand. Hold this, leg of your roof, hold this one now. This one will take long time before you join the next one. Watch the crab now, don't drop in the net. And then you take in the foot rope. Put on and then go put on. Yeah. Put him over there, don't shake out the gum. Take it come put over there. Right over there, right over. Yeah. Stand up good, you know, stand up good neither, you know. You go tell you a long time, you know, stand up good. Because you have to twist. I want to be a man there now, trying it over to you know. Let go that over there and trying it over to you till this reach you. So you have to do it. Right over, draw over more, see him. Draw over more, put him over there now. And then you can go back to your road. Hold on there. Hold on, don't put on it. One percent of this man. Net shrunk. Alright. Yeah. Put them right over. Yeah. Don't flash nothing at all. It better over here that side and it more you flash it. The breeze are blowing straight in your face. Don't flash, don't do that. How you do again? Take a while. Don't do that again. Big you're big trouble. Watch your blow back. That's the thing. Don't make him drop. Out of your hand, no time at all. No, you have to throw no extra rope over there, so. Over there, wait till the crab go. That most of extra rope on your foot. Hold on now, hold on now. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Ground up. Errol and Malcom. Hold on it. Alright. No crab this morning. I look more than it out there. Hold up it. You see it? Don't make it drop down. Remember, say you see it out there, I say it's like, you know. When you see him out there, if I mean no drop a while ago, because you know it's going to eat up. Wait. Yeah. Yes, people, finish check up now. So we are going to land go pick it off. Very small amount of crab. But the weather is very strong. Strong north wind, guys. Yeah. Very strong this morning. Why carry a lot of fish? You guys gonna stay tuned now. When we reach by the land, we pick out the net and you will see what we catch. Another wonderful morning in the whole Harbour Bay again. Great as great can be. Doesn't get any greater than this. Yeah? Of course, the two crab. Alright, wait, go on there, don't go in the camp. But I run a set up pick from now. I rope choke, but go on there, think this is me, man. throw them two crab around them. One bail out to me. Throw it and give him back it. Yeah. This guy Malcolm a fight one lobster there. Don't know what he's doing. Yeah. Guys, a pearl lava we say again, you know. Short little one, big little one, but we still have to show you guys. We still have to show you guys what is happening. Yeah. Nothing great, nothing dramatic. But it is something same way. Yeah. Lot of breeze. So stay tuned. Okay. Just a couple crab in it, guys. Yeah, so you will see how much we catch when we finish, guys. See some here, so. Yeah. Alright. Yes guys, see them there? Sea crab in a net. Yeah. Still is a wonderful catch, you know guys. Let me say a couple minutes, a wonderful catch. See, so we give thanks and praise. Yeah. Yes guys, I don't know, you know, polo there. See me, you know, brother Mark there. See, we have to pick out some whole lobster there. Come out with it. Yeah, Malcolm did them. Same way, guys. So we take up. Yeah, a lovely catch. Same way, guys. Better than sitting down. Sit here. And we not finish yet. So I want to stay tuned for the final catch. Yeah. See the guys. With a bird there and thing. Yes, guys. So, guys, in the meantime, you want to know, enjoy the little drone footage. Yeah.
And I've been living fast life, but I say it is slow. And it's in my lifestyle, I got J's in the club. See many people there outside when they feel man's open. And me I stand the defender like you said you. But girl say she want Netflix and chill. So I just be here if I'm money. If you fall in love, girl, it's satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not copying. Can you see dripple and monkey? I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm not first and feet, I just want it. Happiness. If I broke down my business, I'ma try to go right. All I get for the night. Happiness. If I broke down my business, I'ma try to go right. All I get for the night. You do my kulayo, ma fait dormir souvent, ma fait dormir souvent. You do my kulayo, ma fait dormir souvent. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I just be here if I'm wanting. If you fall in love, girl, it's satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not. And I've been living fast life, but I say it is slow. And it's in my lifestyle, I got J's in the club. See many people there outside when they feel man's open. And me I stand the defender like you said you. But girl say she want Netflix and chill. So I just be here if I'm wanting. If you fall in love, But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I just be here if I'm wanting. If you fall in love, girl, it's satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not. And I've been living fast life, but I say it is slow. And you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the club. See many people there outside when they feel my dope. And me a stand the defender like you said. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I just be here if I'm wanting. If you fall in love, girl, it's satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not copy. Can you see dripple and monkey? I'm not faking this, not fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm not first and feet, I just want it. Happiness. If I broke down my business, I'm a shadow you go right. All I get for the night. Happiness. If I broke down my business, I'm a shadow you go right. All I get for the night. You do not kulayo, ma fejo mi sumo, ma fejo mi sumo. You do not kulayo, ma fejo mi sumo. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I just be here if I'm wanting. If you fall in love, girl, it's satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not. And I've been living fast life, but I say it is slow. And you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the club. See many people there outside when they feel my dope. And me a stand the defender like you said. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I just be here if I'm wanting. If you fall in love, girl, it's satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not copy. Can you see dripple and monkey? I'm not faking this, not fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm not first and feet, I just want it. Happiness. If I broke down my business, I'm a shadow you go right. All I get for the night. Happiness. If I broke down my business, I'm a shadow you go.
Yes, guys. Only 3 bags of crab. We catch, yeah. 30 pounds, yeah. And some conch in other bag there. And the couple fish in this and lobster. 4 lobster. And a nice snook fish. So that are the catch for the day. Yes, guys. Yeah. 4 lobster. And a big snook fish in there. So guys, it was a great one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until the next one. That is it, my people.